stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue sky.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make this quick stew. This stew, you can use it to eat rice, beans, yam, any food of your choice. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieve it, please definitely keep on watching and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. I love you all. Bye. So in an empty pot, I just added extra virgin olive oil and I'll allow it for a minute or two to warm up a little bit, and I just added onion with spring onion and I'll stir and leave it for about a few minutes. So after some minutes, I'll just add the tomato puree and I'll stir. So after that, I'll just leave it to cook for some minutes. And I'll keep stirring it so it will not get burnt. And now here I'm just adding the blended fresh tomatoes plus red bell pepper that I blended earlier, and I will stir and allow to cook. So after some minutes, I'll just add bay leaves and I'll stir. So now all the oil has come up on top, and that's what you're looking for. And I'll add the thyme, curry, all the ingredients you want to add. This is the right time to add them. Paprika, Maggi, just add all the ingredients and stir and allow to cook. Now I added onga and I'll just stir everything together. Here I added calabash known as ehuru, and this will give the stew authentic taste. So here I'll check this stew back again. Here I'm adding blended ginger and garlic, and I'll just stir everything together. You want to stir very well. So here I'm adding a pinch of chicken stock, dry one, and here I'm adding the chicken stock that came out from the meat I cooked earlier, and I'll stir everything together and now allow to cook. So here I'm adding sliced scotch bonnet that I sliced earlier. Then I'm going to stir everything together. So here I'm going to transfer all the meats, the chicken that I cooked earlier. You can grill or fry this if you want. And I'll just stir. Looks beautiful. So here I'm just trying to remove the bay leaves, as it's not edible. So now I'm just going to stir. And make sure everything is good. And here I'm just adding curry leaves. I like adding curry leaves in my stew. I like the aroma that fresh curry gives in the stew. So I'm going to stir again. By this time, the stew is almost ready. Yeah, it's perfectly done now. So that's it. Here you go. You have your very tasty pot of stew. You can dish this with rice. I just sprinkled a little bit of spring onion on top of it. This is really good. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Stay blessed, stay beautiful. I love you all. Bye.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. From underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets